very good afternoon from here in the centre of Gibraltar. This evening we're going to take a stroll around Gibraltar. A very good morning from here in Gibraltar. A very good morning guys from here in Casemates Square. So it's a very good morning from me here in the Upper Town area. Today is the 5th of December 2025 and it's a beautiful sunny yet quite chilly morning with a temperature hovering around about 11 degrees. Today we're going to do something we haven't done in a long time on this channel. We're going to take a walk around Gibraltar in the town centre. We're going to take a look at the city as it prepares for the festive period. That's right, only a couple of weeks to go until Christmas. It's a beautiful morning here, so let's go and take a look around the town, guys. Come on. Our first step this morning is the wonderful Castle Steps, one of my favourite streets here in Gibraltar, and it is such a crisp morning. Lovely to see, and there's a reason I've come out at this time of the day, and the reason for that is all the kids are already at school, everybody's gone to work, so we kind of get this section of the Upper Town to ourselves. Lovely to see. We've also got the restaurant here, El Casbah, a place that I really like here in Gibraltar. We've also got some information about Castle Street if you want to pause the video. We made it down the steps and I think it's time to take in the scenery before we head in to the main town area. As you can see, there's nobody on the streets at the moment, but I think that'll all change when we get to the bottom of Engineers Lane. But it is a very peaceful morning here. So there we are, that must be one of my favourite streets here in Gibraltar. That is Castle Steps. I absolutely love it. It's a lovely place to start the video. I think the plan is now we're going to head down to Casemates, the main square here in Gibraltar, take a little look around, see how busy it is. I think it's just gone 10 o'clock in the morning now. And then we'll make our way up Main Street, up to the top, and maybe finish off in an open space. But come on guys, let's take a look at Gibraltar this beautiful crisp December morning. So if you are thinking about or you are planning to come to Gibraltar over the Christmas period, I would say you would need a jacket, especially in the nights. The nights have been particularly cold over the last couple of weeks, although the daytime temperatures can get really warm still, and it's not uncommon to have a day over 20 degrees at this time of year. Unfortunately for the last couple of weeks that hasn't been the case. We've had quite a bit of rain. But yeah, let's take in the people walking past. Look at this geezer. He looked like he wanted to kick my head in. But we can see Main Street, and now we arrive into Casemates Square. The restaurants here, of course, are not so busy. They are just opening. The time is about 20 past 10 in the morning. Now we can see the sun hasn't even risen over the rock. It is the month of December, which means we have the shortest amount of daylight hours. So the sun is rising around about 8 o'clock and it is setting around about 5:45, 6 o'clock now, but it shouldn't get any earlier than that, with the shortest day of the year expected on the 21st of December. But let's take a look at the old Christmas tree here, and it isn't really a Norwegian Christmas tree, but I think I say that every year. So here we are guys in Casemates Square, looking very Christmassy, although I think it looked better in the night. Unfortunately I wasn't able to make it to the Christmas light switch on. This was due to work commitments, unfortunately, and I guess it's half the reason I've been making so many videos here in Gibraltar in the last few months. I've just been so busy, but I'm going to keep trying to give you as many videos as possible when I get the chance. Maybe we'll come down here in the evening one day this week and we'll film the Christmas lights and we'll film Gibraltar all lit up to make up for not attending the Christmas switch on show. I think what we're going to do now is we're going to make our way back up to Main Street, and let's just take in the shops, the decorations on this beautiful sunny morning. Come on guys. So let's hit the consumer heart of Gibraltar. This is Main Street. This is where the majority of shops are situated. And I must say, I am enjoying filming people today. I am just standing in the middle of the road and just openly filming them as I walk past. I think it's just giving nice visuals to the video. We can see Trends there, probably one of the most popular shops here in Gibraltar. They do a fantastic sale, but of course there are no sales on now. And we can see these Christmas themed postbox toppers here. And we'll take a look at them as we make our way up Main Street. Let's pan around now, and we've got some dessert places here. A chimney cake shop. I think that's not particularly Gibraltarian. I think the chimney cake actually comes from Hungary. So yeah, someone's still setting up a business there. Well, they've been there for years, so they must do quite well. But let's take in these beautiful shots of the Christmas decorations here above Main Street. So as we can see here in the Casemates Square, they've set up a little place for children, a little fun fair for the Christmas period. So if you're coming to Gibraltar, you've got kids, this might be a good shout to drop them off while you hide away in the pub. We're going to continue our walk onto Main Street now. Let me get out of that glare of the sun. In fact, I might look better on camera if the sun's in my face, a little bit of natural lighting. What we're going to do is we're going to continue along Main Street, as I said, just soaking in some of that winter atmosphere. And I've got to say, when you do stand in the sun, it does feel significantly warmer. The top temperature today is going to be about 17 degrees. And to be honest, after I've done this video, I've got to run into Spain and do my Christmas shopping. So I'm not taking you guys with me to do that. There's nothing more boring than watching me be indecisive in a shopping centre. But come on guys, let's continue our exploration of Gibraltar City Centre this morning. Come on. There is nothing worse than doing the Christmas shopping, especially when you don't know what you're going to buy. You don't know what you're going to buy anyone, so completely winging it. But let's get back to Main Street, and I want to take in another post box and its topper, and you can really see they're getting into the Christmas spirit. This is the more southern part of Main Street, where I used to live before. We can see it's a little bit quieter here. So just a couple of days ago, Starbucks opened its first ever branch here in Gibraltar. We walked past it, but you know what, I'm not giving them any airtime. They've had enough airtime in the local media over the last couple of days. I think I'm all Main Streeted out now, and I think the best thing for us to do is to go and head to the park, just to take in a bit of the greenery, have a lovely look on this gorgeous morning here in Gibraltar. I really don't want to do the Christmas shopping, but unfortunately it's just one of those things. Come on guys, let's head to the park and finish off this video. So it's just a short walk from Main Street to Commonwealth Park, and we are doing a first on the channel. We are filming the park from an aerial view, and I don't know why I've never done this before. It actually comes out quite nice. But we're going to head down the steps and we're going to go towards the lake, and we can see the bird of paradise flowers still clinging on even though it is so cold. And we can see they've actually cut the reeds down by the pond, and I always wonder to myself, what happens to the frogs when they cut the reeds down? Well, unfortunately guys, I think that really is all we've got time for today. As I say, very busy man. We've got very busy afternoon ahead. I hope you enjoyed your update from here in Gibraltar on this beautiful December morning. It's a lovely little park, Commonwealth Park. It is my favourite park here in Gibraltar. Although saying that, I do also like the Botanic Gardens. We're not doing a video about my favourite park, don't worry. But I'll be bringing you more videos from Gibraltar over the next couple of weeks, soaking up that Christmas atmosphere. But from me here in Commonwealth Park, thank you for watching as always guys, and I shall see you all on the next adventure.